गायत्री मंत्र। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Thursday prayer. Dear God, help us spend today with a smile on our face, love in our heart, joy in His grace, spreading happiness around all day. Help us to remember today with a refreshed mind, knowledge to start, to be patient and kind, growing in wisdom all day.
Good morning, SWS. Togetherness is known as getting into companionship or close association. Today is Thursday, known as Gurwar Ka Gaurav. Let us understand togetherness through the story of ants. Have you ever noticed a group of ants at work? If you have, then you are surely going to agree with me that we can learn quite a lot from their behaviors about management, planning, and all about teamwork. I once looked at about 100 or more ants carrying a sugar bee. Compare the size of the sugar bee with that of a single ant. By itself, the ant would never be able to move the sugar bee. A group of ants certainly would move it to the desired destination. As I looked, there was the sugar being carried afloat the back of the ants who had formed a circle beneath the bee. Their success, the realization of their goal, was due to teamwork. Cooperation was the way to success in the kingdom of the ants. The load may have seemed heavy, the task daunting, but the energy and the strength of the group brought success. Teamwork does not come about by wishful thinking. For teamwork to emergence and for success to be achieved, team require leaders. Among the ants, there must be a leader pointing the group in the right direction. Think of it. There must be planning. Above all, the bee could not have been moved if each of the ants was not prepared to pull its weight, do what had to be done until the task was completed. Everything that we try to tell human beings about cooperation and teamwork leading to goal achievements is demonstrated by a tiny group of ants moving a large sugar bee. Again, just for a moment, think of the size of the sugar bee compared to that of a tiny black or red ant. Nothing can be achieved in this world without teamwork. The unselfish and unconditional sharing of one's best skills and resources for the benefit of the community. If the animal and the insect world could instinctively cooperate to achieve, why can't human beings who suppose are of greater intelligence do likewise? The answer is in two words: greed and selfishness. Human beings are yet to appreciate that they will be far better off working together rather than working alone. In all areas of life, the competitive nature of man and the urge to be better than the other to be recognized combine to negate the ideas of teamwork, which requires as fundamental values selfishness and self-sacrificing behaviors. If ever you have the opportunity to look at the ants moving an object, you will also see that when an ants get tired, it is replaced by another. For teams to be successful, there must be a clear purpose. This means having a clear mission as an organization. More than this, the leader must ensure that the members of the teams are aligned to the mission. The example of Medtronic's is instructive. Medtronic's mission is to help people lead fuller lives. We restore people to the fullness of life, is their stated purpose. Purpose drives passion. With a clear mission at this, person joining Medtronics have a clear understanding of why they are part of the company. Not only in the mission made known to employees, but in addition the founder of the company. Bill George is known to meet with all new employees to discuss the mission and as well the values that support the mission in the real world of business. A successful team not only shares a commonly agreed upon mission but in addition consistently practice the values which the mission implies. For example, at Medtronics, these values consist of restoring people to full health, serving their customers with products and services of the highest quality, recognizing the personal worth of each other, making a fair profit, and maintaining good citizenship for the company. Without the practice of the values implied in the mission, the team cannot be successful. Leadership, a clear purpose, and the practice of the values implied by the mission are critical to team success. Thank you. Thought of the day. The way to achieve your success is to be willing to help somebody else get it first. I repeat, the way to achieve your own success is to be willing to help somebody else get it first. Two new words of the day are gelid, GELID, meaning extremely cold. Other word is vilify, VILIFY, meaning to say or write very harsh and critical thing about someone or something. Fact of the day. National Consumer Rights is observed on 24 December annually with a particular theme across the country. Today's news is as follows. National news. Cabinet approves revision in guidelines for providing DTH services, taking big steps for education of SC students. Sports news. India vs Australia. David Warner, Sean Abbott ruled out of Boxing Day test. International news. WHO members to meet on Wednesday on new virus variant. Thank you.
Requesting everyone to rise up and stand straight for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय